Welcome, seekers of light and abundance. Today, we allow ourselves to immerse ourselves in the essence of positive thinking, the magic it weaves into our lives, particularly when it comes to financial prosperity. Prosperity is more than just coins and bills. It is the harmonious dance between the mind and the universe. It is the energy flowing in tune with your deepest desires. Before we start, we count on your collaboration through the Apoya Say platform. The link to more information can be found in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our meditations and tips for an abundant financial life. Ready to get started? Close your eyes and breathe deeply. Let each inhale bring clarity, and each exhale release any doubt. Imagine your being as a garden, where every thought is a seed. Positive thoughts are the flowers in this garden, blooming in vibrant colors of hope, faith, and gratitude. Cultivate, then, the sowing of positive thoughts. Allow them to take root in the fertile soil of your mind, nurturing belief in their own ability to attract abundance. Let go of the fears, the self-imposed limitations. Visualize yourself as a powerful magnet, attracting opportunity, success, and wealth. Feel gratitude for every little blessing you already have, for gratitude is the soil where prosperity grows the richest. When you open your eyes, see beyond the obvious. Every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, every obstacle is an invitation to growth. Believe that you deserve the best and that the universe is conspiring in your favor. And now, I invite you to walk this path of light with us in the Wealth and Prosperity channel. There, let's explore the secrets of the thriving mind together, share insights, and nurture that flame of positive thinking that leads us to prosperity. May each day be a journey of self-knowledge and transformation, where positive thinking is the compass that guides towards inner and outer wealth. Peace and prosperity.